Tuloy po ba daw ang laban ni Senator Pacquiao sa Agosto laban kay Errol Spence Jr.? Wala man lang po bang pagudlak daw ang Malacanang sa pag-ensayo ng pambansang kamao, lalo po bansang Pilipinas ang dala ni Senator Pacquiao sa kanya magiging laban kay Spence?
Whether not tuloy, pakitanong lang po si Senator Pacquiao. Whether or not we wish him luck, of course, we wish all Filipinos the best of luck in whatever they do best. And pagdating po kay Manny Pacquiao, he's best in the boxing ring and probably not as good elsewhere.
From Lanes Kapanti ng GMA News Online, how would the administration address the 11 trillion peso outstanding debt? Where will the funds for the benefits of soldiers be sourced?
Alam niyo po, very conservative po ang ating economic team headed by Secretary Dominguez, no? Yung ating nauulat pong external debt ngayon, yan po ay nasa mid-range. Kung ikukumpara natin sa mga ekonomiya na kasing lakas natin, gaya ng iba't ibang ekonomiya po ng Latin America, no? Lower middle income countries. So, malaki pong tignan yan, but we are in the mid-range at wala naman pong problema yan pagdating doon sa ating kakayahan na magbayad as they fall due.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.